Video is for my students who are using the Cascade method by Tara Boykin, Chords Book 1. This video can be used as a replacement lesson if you missed your lesson this week, or it can be used as a home practice video. So first of all, let's run through some chords. You will see that there is some music stave here, so you can see what these tonic triad chords look like in the music stave. I have a light up keyboard so you can check which keys I'm pressing, and in the video with my hands you again can see which keys I'm pressing and which fingers I'm using. So we're going to start off with the tonic triad chord of C major in right hand and left hand. We're going to play these chords as solid chords. So 5, 1 in the right hand, 3, 1 in the left hand, 5th finger in the right. In the music stave, notice how the chords look like snowmen. These chords quite often get nicknamed snowman chords because they look like snowmen in the music. So here's C major. Now we're going to lower the middle note to E flat, and this is now C minor. Major chords are our happy sounding chords. Minor sounds sad or spooky. Okay, now we'll move up to D. D major is D, F sharp and A. So a solid chord, right hand, left hand for D major. Find that on your piano. Our happy sounding chord, D major. Now lower the middle note, so F sharp to F natural. This is D minor, so just have a go playing D minor. Our spooky or sad sounding chord. Now we're going to move up to E major. So E, G sharp, B. Have a go pressing these keys. Make sure you've got the right fingering. We're not using 2 and 4. Make sure you have a nice spider hand over the keys. Now lower the G sharp to G natural. Excellent. So this is E minor. Okay, now we're going to move up to F major. So we have F, A, C. Same fingering. 1, 3, 5 in the right hand. 5, 3, 1 in the left. Always the same fingering for our tonic triad chords or snowmen chords. Now I want you to lower the middle note to the A flat key, the black key. Now we have F minor, so have a go at that. F, A flat and C, so F minor. Okay. We're going to try one more today. We're now going to try G major. So G, B and D. Same fingering for all tonic triad chords. So have a go at G major on your piano. Now lower the middle note. Make the B flat. So B flat. And this gives us our minor chords. If you need to practice those again, just rewind the video and try it again before you move on to any songs. So today I am going to start off with the D major chords on page 12. If you don't have a copy of this book, just send me an email because our studio has purchased the studio license for the PDF file for the whole of this book for my students only. Okay, so for the D major chord exercise, make sure you have both hands ready with the D major chord first. Remember, F is sharp. and try and play that exercise 3 times. Okay, so I hope that went well for you. Now have a go playing with me. So we have the time signature 4/4, 4 crochet beats in a bar. So I'm going to count us in after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you need more practice with that, just rewind the video and have another go with me or have a go by yourself. Now on the next page, we have a sunny day. Now I'm going to play this song, and while I play, I want to see if you can work out what the imposter notes are. So it says here at the bottom of the page, find the imposter notes, colour, highlight or circle them. So there are 2 in the right hand, 1 in the left. So you need to write the letter of the note and then either get a little highlighter pen or colouring crayon and colour around the note, or just get a pencil and circle them in your music. So see if you can work out the imposter notes as I play. Did you work it out? We had E in the right hand, so make sure you circle or colour in all of the E's in your music that are in the right hand with the first line of the stave going through. We also had G. Again, make sure you colour all the G's in the right hand that have the second line of the stave going through. And I'm just having a look for the left hand note. I can't actually see where this left hand imposter note is. There, that was very tricky. I took a while to find it myself. It's in the third bar of the third line. It's where the second finger comes over and plays a right hand note. So that was really tricky because we automatically looked in the bass clef there for the imposter note. So when you get to the third line, here the left hand second finger comes over, presses right hand's B to help the right hand out, then the right hand continues on. Okay, let's have a go together. If you're not ready to play with me, you can pause the video and practice and then have a go playing with me. Again, we have 4 crochet beats in a bar, 4/4. So I'm going to count 4 crochet beats for us to come in together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. we're going to have a look at the D minor chords on the next page. D minor, we don't have F sharp, we have F natural. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just find your D minor chords, and then I'm going to count you in and we'll have a go together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If that was a bit fast for you, rewind the video, have a little practice by yourself, and then have another go playing with me. So now I'm going to show you how the playful horse goes on the next page, page 19. Again, see if you can find the imposter notes. There are 2 in the right hand and 1 in the left hand. So in the right hand, the imposter notes were G and E. So make sure you have coloured or circled all of the G keys and the E keys. In the left hand, let's see, the imposter note was E. See if you can find that E. We only played it once. Now in this piece of music we have a mixture of staccato notes and legato notes. So when you have a dot above or below the note, so you can see in this first bar there is lots of dots there, that's when we bounce off the key. When we have a slur, that's telling us to play legato smoothly. So just watch how I play staccato in this song. I flick my wrist up. Meanings, long notes, now legato. Sink those fingers right down into the keys, no gaps in between the notes. Okay, so I hope this lesson or home practice video has gone well for you, and you show me what you have done in your next lesson. Have fun with this book.